What's up, guys? So today we're back in Grow Garden, and yeah, so we're in the second, and let's collect some strawberries here. Alright. So while you wait, I literally have no idea what I'm doing right now. Now let's see here. Oh no, what the hell is that thing doing? Alright. I want to sell my inventory. Come on, how much? 15,000 shekels. That's nice. Alright. Carrot connoisseur. That's nice. Talk Sam. What you got for me in stock? Oh, bamboo. Can buy 3. Yeah. Vegetables. Alright. Let's buy some tomato seeds. Buy all of them. Alright. Got my 3 bamboo seeds. Alright. After that, let's got extra tomato seeds. Alright. Why did I even do this? Ooh, lucky harvest. Yeah, no, this is it's very hard. The house is 4,000 shekels per wall and 1 apple seed. No pity, no. Nope. I don't have any boxes. Right. So now while we wait, alright. What the hell is this? There's a golden strawberry. No. Oh my god. My tomato. The hell? Alright, let's harvest some strawberries and show the bamboo. Let's see. Oh, there's that. Alright, that's nice. Collect something. Oh, you know what they should have done? They should have let her to get the most vacation. Search this the obvious one. How much is this worth? Come on. 7,000. I just hit the jackpot. I just hit the jackpot. Alright. So my inventory. Come on. Yes, 17k. So 10k worth. Alright. What's in stock? Oh yeah, I can buy more bamboo. Alright, I was able to buy a lot of bamboo with that, but not enough. You plan for bamboo. That's a huge one. Huge. It's in huge Jackman. Alright, let's harvest some strawberries right here. And let's sell it. 1,000. Let me buy some seeds, some bamboo. Come on. Oh my god, guys, wait a minute. I have to pause the recording first. Someone in front of my house is literally clapping. I'm so sorry. Can we just wait a minute? Yeah, sure, sorry.